Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make short division. Short division is a fantastic method for dividing larger numbers by a single digit, often called the bus-stop method. It simplifies complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps, making calculations much easier. This technique is incredibly useful for both quick mental math and written calculations, helping you find answers efficiently and accurately every time. Let's get started by setting up your division problem correctly. First, draw a division bracket that looks a bit like a bus stop. Next, place the dividend, which is the number you are dividing, inside this bracket. Then, position the divisor, the number you are dividing by, outside the bracket to the left. For instance, if you're dividing 84 by 4, 84 goes inside and 4 goes outside. Now, let's walk through the division process step by step. Begin by dividing the first digit of your dividend by the divisor. Write the result, or quotient, directly above that first digit. If there's any remainder, carry it over to the next digit of the dividend, forming a new number. Continue this exact process for each subsequent digit until every digit in your dividend has been divided. Finally, let's talk about handling remainders and getting your final answer. If the very last digit you divide leaves a remainder, that becomes your final remainder for the entire problem. You'll write this remainder next to your quotient, often denoted with an R. The complete number you've written above the bracket is your full quotient. Always take a moment to double-check your work by multiplying your quotient by the divisor. It should equal your original dividend.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.